Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Leather Legging. Today we are going to explore some leather shorts. Hope you are doing great, hope you are doing well. Leather shorts are bold fashion statement that combine age and elegance with hair versatility and ability to elevate any outfit. Leather shorts have become a wardrobe staples for those who want to stand out. They come in various types tailored to different styles and occasions. Below we'll explore different types of leather shorts, their unique features, and how to style them. Leather shorts are made from real animal hide, offering unparalleled quality or durability. They have a natural texture and sheen that give them a luxurious feel. These shorts are breathable and mold for our body time, creating a personalized fit. Pair with a crisp white shirt for a chic look, for a leather jacket and edgy vibe. Fox leather for those seeking a quality-free alternative. Fox leather shorts are an elegance, excellent choice made from a synthetic material that mimic the look and feel to real leather without high price tags. Match the crop tops and chickens for casual outing or blazer heels anytime. Patent leather shorts have high gloss finish, them ideal for statement look. Their shiny surface catches light, making and popular choice for the party wear. Slim fit, high waisted, embellished options. Suede leather shorts are softer and high a more matte appearance compared to the traditional leather. They are perfect for a boho or legs aesthetics. Fringe or lace up or embellished with a sweats. Biker leather shorts are rich and features detailed zippers, studs, and buckles aesthetics. These shorts are perfect for edgy rocks inspired outfits. Slim fit with a bold hardware detailing combined with a graffiti and combat boots for a tough streetwear inspired look. For more feminine and tailored appearance, pleated leather shorts are fantastic options. The feet added movements and structures, making them suitable for both casual and formal setting. Paperback leather shorts with a sneak waist with a tie belt catching, creating a flattering suited. These shorts combine comfort and trendy edge. Waist with a tie or a belt. Tuck in fitted tops and wear with a strappy sandals. Leather shorts are versatile and timeless addition to any wardrobe, whether you prefer authenticity of genial leather that authentical